Hey folks, welcome to Texas Bluesman Barbecue. I'm the Texas Bluesman. We're going to barbecue. So this is our first video. I'm going to make some ribeye steaks today just for me and my son. I'm going to season these things up. The Traeger's rolling already. We're going to have some smoked ribeyes, and then I'm going to finish them off in the Lodge Cast Iron on the Camp Chef stove and some butter. They're going to be great, so let's season these things up and get them on the Traeger. Which one of these am I going to use? No. There's my black pepper. Rudy's. Yeah. No. Oh, wait, what's hiding here in the back? All right, some Redmond Real Salt, Kosher grind. Ooh, look at that. All right, so I'm just gonna season these with a little salt and pepper. I got this black pepper that I got from Rudy's. Yeah, it's some 16 mesh black pepper. If you live in Texas, somewhere close to a Rudy's barbecue, they have it for sale there every day. Pepper's kind of pepper. I'm gonna season it upside down like all the folks like to do. I'm gonna get a decent coating on there. All right. Now, then I'm going to use some kosher salt. This is Redmond Real Salt that I got from Redmond.com, RedmondRealSalt.com, I believe it is. I'll put the link in the description below. But anyway, this is from an ancient seabed, and it's a kosher grind. So it's the same Redmond Real Salt that you can get in the table shaker, but it's in a kosher grind. So I'm going to use a little bit of this. Doesn't take a whole lot. All right. Let's flip them over. Once again, a little black pepper. And a little Redmond's Real Salt here. I just want to say that I like to eat carnivore. So you see, if it looks like I've put a lot of salt on there, then you might think that I did, but I really didn't. This salt is going to go into it, and you can see the shine on the steaks. I've had them sitting out for just a little while I was preparing to make this video. So anyway, they're going to be ready to go here. I'm going to let them set. Like I already said, I got the Traeger rolling, so let's go put them on. There she goes again. Here's my Traeger little Tex Elite that I've had for about 4 or 5 years with a Savannah Stoker. I've got it set at 225. It's sitting right underneath there now just because I just closed the lid. There it is in all of her glory. And right here is the Camp Chef where we're going to sear the steaks and finish them off in the Lodge Cast Iron. Stay tuned. Okay, hey everybody. I cooked these to about 130 degrees. There they are. There's that one. They're both about 132, 133. And so I'm gonna go get the Lodge Cast Iron. We're gonna put it on there, give them a quick sear, and then we're gonna eat them. All right, I'll be right back. camera and just wait for it to focus. Yum. All right. Get a knife. Get my steak. Not my son's. Not a fork, son. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful steak. There it is. We get a little piece of this spinalis right here. Spitalis. Look at that. So good. All right. So this brings the first video to an end. We're going to eat steaks. I will see you in the next video.